Hello guys, I am Gaurav Kedia, a first year student from Ramdabao College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur. So today we are going to start with our first lab of 30-day Google Cloud program. As you can see, the track 1 is Cloud Engineering track, and the skill badge which we are going to do is getting started, create and manage cloud resource. As you can see, I have already got my monthly subscription, and the lab which we are going to do is creating a virtual machine. So I suggest you to open this and read all the instructions given here and then click on the start lab button. So we will use the subscription given to us. So so here our lab is started. So we will open Google Cloud Console, and then we will copy the username, then the password, and next. So this is our Google Cloud platform, and we are going to code here. Now, as it is said, we will click on navigation menu, and you can see all the command given here. Then to activate cloud shell button, click here. Okay, so activate cloud shell, then this will appear. Okay, so here our cloud shell is open, and now you can list the active account name with this command. So just copy this command and paste it over here and enter. So something has gone wrong. I will copy again and then paste it here. I will authorize, and as you can see, I have got my account. Now, yeah, you can check your output with this. Then you can list the project ID with this command. So we will copy this and paste it over here. Enter project equal to Quick Labs. So yes, you can see the output is same. Then understanding region and zones. So it is again a brief description on region and zone, how the Google Cloud works and how the engine works in its zones. So you can read it. Then our task one is to create a new instance from Google Cloud Console. So in this Google Cloud Console, click on navigation menu, then compute engine, then VM instance. So navigation menu, compute engine. Okay, compute engine, something problem. VM instance. So so here we are. Then to create a new instance, click create instance. Then there are many parameters you can configure when creating a new instance. Use the following. So we will have to copy this and paste it in the following. You see, name, then paste. Then the next is region. So region is already given here. Then zone is already given. then series N1. So we will select the series N1, then machine type 2V CPU. So 2V CPU. mm, so this is 2V CPU. Then boot disk is new 10 GB balanced persistence. New 10 GB, it is given already. Then after boot disk firewall allow HTTP traffic. So we will allow HTTP traffic. Then we will click on create. So as you can see, I have got the same instance given here. Then to use SSH to connect to a virtual machine in a row for your machine, click SSH. So to connect our SSH to our virtual machine, click on this SSH button. Okay. It's taking some time to load. So yes, it's open. Now click on SSH. Yes, we will connect. So it's connecting. So guys, as you can see, my SSH is opened. Now we are completed our first task. Then the task 2 is, now you will install a Nginx web server, one of the top most popular web server in the world, to connect your virtual machine to something. In SSH terminal, to get root access, run the following command. So we will copy this command and we will copy this in our SSH terminal, Ctrl V, and run it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Run this command. So we got root at the rate GCE lab. So yes, then as a root user, update your OS. Then we will copy this command and uh, paste it here and run it. So you can see the command has run successfully. Here you can see done. Yeah, you can check it with the expected output. Now the next is to install Nginx. Copy this and paste it again here. Uh, it is running. So yes, it is completed. Then confirm Nginx is running. So we will copy this again and paste it. Yes, it is running. After that, uh, to see the web page, return to Cloud Console and click external IP link in row for your machine, or add external IP value list in a new browser window or tab. So, to, so now we will go to external IP, hide info panel, then click here. As you can see, we have got the same output as shown here. Now click this, check my progress. Oh, so it's completed. Now the task 3 is to create a new instance with Google Cloud. Instead of using Cloud Console to create a virtual machine instance, you can use command line tool gcloud, which is pre-installed in Google Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell is a Debian-based virtual machine loaded with all development tools you will need and offer a persistent 5 GB home directory. That's good. So in Cloud Shell, use Google Cloud to create a new virtual machine instance from command line. So we have to copy this and paste it in this command line. Okay, so we will paste it here and run it. So as you can see, it has run successfully and the status is running. Then to check your progress in this lab, check my progress. A check mark means you are successful. So I will check my progress, and yes, we have completed. So here we have completed our first lab, and you can run all this or to get extra knowledge, but we have completed this as we have got 100 points. Now we will solve the question. So the question is, through which of the following way you can create a VM instance in your compute engine? So as we have seen, we can create the compute engine with Google Cloud command tool line. So yes, and we can also create with Google Cloud Console. So yes, and yes, it's correct. So now we will end our lab, submit. So we are submitted. Thank you guys.